Hey, what's up guys? Josh from Trail Build here with
Dustin with Custom Offsets.
and we are doing another rating your rigs from the gallery. So we're gonna go through, our videographer Jacob has picked out 5 rigs from the gallery. Today's episode is going to be 2020 Jeep Gladiator. So these are all rigs that you guys uploaded to the gallery. If you haven't already, definitely make sure you upload your rig to the gallery, trailbuildoffroad.com. Hit that gallery, hit add your rig, make sure you have really good pictures and really good description as well. So with that said, ready to get started?
Let's do it.
First on the list, what do we have here? It's going to be a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and it has fuel, Zephyrs. It's the 17x9, then it has a -12 offset.
Yep.
Has Falcon, Wild Peaks, the AT3Ws 37s by 12.5 wide, and it says that it has Rough Country stock. So I know Rough Country doesn't make stock suspension. Maybe it is lifted. That's where that really good description comes in handy.
Correct.
Then we can really see what it has exactly. But looking at this Gladiator, this
Look
is
at
an
that
interesting look. What is that? That's like a...
It's like a digi camo style wrap.
Yeah,
it's
that's
pretty
pretty
neat.
wild. Look at that interior.
I love
sort of
that,
red and
that
the
double
black.
stitched. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
it
look
looks
at that.
really
Okay,
good.
so looking at one of these other pictures here, yeah, it's like the digital camo. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's like digi camo, and he carries
would-
it over into the dash, which is kind of neat.
I would call that Tetris. That definitely looks like Tetris, doesn't it? You know what
Kinda,
Tetris-
I
the
guess,
little Game
yeah.
Boys and the
You're gonna age yourself.
Oh,
Be
boy.
careful.
Yeah. I mean, I heard about them. I saw them.
Yeah,
on,
right.
I saw them on those interweb
Yeah,
things.
yeah, that,
okay.
right.
All right. So moving on, we have. Let's see what
Any
other.
details in here? Move plastic band fog lights, custom Avery wrap, cat skin. Okay, so he's got a cat skin seat covers and stuff. So.
Wow, that's in today's age and times, I wouldn't think people would use cat skin.
It's not actual cat
It's not.
skin. No,
it
no,
says
it's
cat
a
skin.
company.
It's like cat skin. Poor cats.
I really like that though. I like that double stitched red and black leather. It looks super,
pretty sharp.
super good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I suppose. I don't know if you already have a number.
Let's do it.
All right, so we'll count down 3, 2, 1,
8.5.
7.
I love that wheel. Those Fuel Zephyrs are such beautiful wheels. Like I can just see dailying this thing, pulling the doors off in the summer. You know, it's got a little bit of functional stuff. It's got the rock sliders, but it's still super dailyable, not super over the top. I think it's awesome.
Yeah, it's all right. I mean, it's not anything that I would consider like over the top. I gave it a 7. It's, red wheels. I'm still on the fence about red wheels. It
Sure.
to me is more of like a show truck thing over a
Maybe
like a
that's
functional
why I like
thing.
them. I'm not sure.
It could be. Yeah, I like what they're trying to do with it. I'm just not completely sold on those red wheels. So, and the digital camo wrap is.
When are you gonna let me wrap the Scout like that?
I don't think that would happen. Now, if we can make it look like actual Tetris blocks, I think that would be pretty cool.
We could make that happen too.
Moving on to the next one here, what do we have? We have another 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This one has black rhinos, the Prims. I think I'm saying that right, Prim. And 17x8.5, 0 offset, so just a standard offset. And then it has the BFG, the Mud Terrain, the KM3s in a 37-inch flavor by 12.5-inch wide, which I have the BFG, the KM3s, and absolutely are loving them.
Sure.
So this one has the King off-road suspension, the 4.5-inch lift, which, dang, son, that's pretty good. It looks awesome.
Beautiful photos.
I like
First
this.
thing I noticed, that's a gorgeous photo. Trees
Yeah,
in
it
the
is.
background, change colors. Looks like he's got a flex photo up next.
Yeah.
Do you even flex, bro? Like,
Bro,
bro.
you even flex?
Yeah.
This guy does.
Look at that. Look how nice that gallery
Yeah,
photo.
it's
Shout
pretty
out to
sweet.
this guy
Yes.
for having really high quality gallery photos. It makes doing these so much easier.
Definitely. Looks like it has Gold Rhino front bumper, Smitty built 12,000 pound winch, and then the King suspension. This thing's built.
4.5
This is
inch
nice.
suspension lift.
So pretty sweet.
I
don't
love
know if
that.
you already
that
have a number
flat grade.
already, or
Yeah, let's do it.
cool. All right. So 3, 2, 1, 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The gray is cool. The wheel choice is cool. The front bumper looks really good. He's got good high quality action shots. I want to take this thing and just wheel it. I just want to go and get lost someplace and have a ton of fun in this.
Definitely.
It looks really good.
Super capable looking. Nice look to it all around with color, with the wheels on here, the black rhinos. I'm really digging black rhinos. I think they're doing
They
a
do some
super
good work.
awesome,
Yeah,
awesome job.
They've got some really cool stuff going on.
Yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool. So moving on, next we have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. It has the alloy ions, the style 171, and they're 17 by 9s. Milestar Patagonia is a 315/70s.
That's been a super popular tire for us, right?
It has been.
The Patagonias
Yes.
have been?
Yeah, a lot of people love
Just
the,
a great bang for your buck tire.
This is kind of an interesting combination here with the tan. It almost looks like a military.
Looks like a Humvee.
Right.
Yeah.
It's got the black top,
Yeah, it looks
black
like a bigger
wheels.
Humvee.
Yeah.
Just one photo on this one.
Yeah,
So it doesn't give us a lot to work off of.
It's got a neat look to it. Not a whole lot of description, no other pictures, so
Heck yeah.
I don't know if you already have a number.
I'm ready to roll. Let's
All
do
right,
it.
So 3, 2, 1,
6.5. Yep. Great foundation. It's wheels and tires only, it looks like, other than he's done some trimming and stuff. I think it looks really good. I like it a lot. So
Nothing over the top, but
Yeah,
it does
nothing
have a
crazy.
cool look to it. I like how it does kind of have like that military sort of a feel to it, so that's pretty cool.
yeah, it's a super great start, right? So next for me would be bumpers and maybe a little lift to give you some more ground clearance and some of your recovery gear and stuff like that. But I mean, considering this is a brand new truck, or do you call those trucks? Do you call them Jeeps? What do we call them?
Gladiator?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
It's a brand new vehicle either way, so it's super cool. It's a great starting point.
All right, so moving on, what do we have here? Holy smokes, look at that picture. So we have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, has insane off-road IOs. 20 by 10s, so a little bit bigger wheel here.
Now we're talking my language.
I'll get the just kidding. -12 offset, furry, Fury. I'll never say that right.
Easy, Fury.
It has
Fury off-road.
hairy off-road country hunters. RTs, so it looks like
So the hybrid tire,
so
okay.
they're on the right track. 37 by 13.5s. Rough country 6-inch suspension lift. This thing looks
Holy
wild.
cow.
This is pretty cool.
This thing is
Rock
neat.
sliders, got the cargo rack or the rack on
Yeah.
the back. Look at it has a cargo rack up on the roof. Oh, look at that. It's got blue Max tracks or whatever brand they are to match
Heck yeah.
the lettering on the
See?
side of the truck.
Looks like he's got the rear tails are smoked for sure. I don't know if those are aftermarket, but
Yeah.
they definitely look smoked.
pretty clean truck.
Oh, super
Jeep.
cool. So he's got the puzzle piece. I assume this
Yeah.
is an autism awareness build, I would guess,
I would
based on the
say
puzzle pieces.
I would say a mental health awareness.
Oh yeah,
build.
you're right. Excuse me. Yeah.
I know that because I've been talking to this guy.
Have you?
Yeah, he's down in Texas.
Cool.
Yeah, he's building this Gladiator for SEMA, but he's going to all these different shows for the benefit of mental health awareness.
Sure.
So,
And that's something that's super close to us, right? Obviously, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
it's something that affects everyone, and we're no stranger to that. So super cool of this guy to put this themed build together and make that happen.
yeah,
So,
absolutely. Awesome. All right, so I don't know if you already have a number on this one.
let's do it.
All right, so we'll count down 3, 2, 1.
9.5.
9.8.
All right. Yep.
Yep,
I mean,
right up there.
it's almost 100% for me.
Right.
It's almost a 10 for me. There's a couple little things that I would tweak, but for me, this thing is as beautiful on-road as it is off-road. It's got the perfect combination between your world and mine, right? Of kind of trail and show.
Right.
I just envision like taking this thing to a truck show, and then when you're done, diving off into the back 40 and doing some backwoods overlanding
Yeah,
and stuff.
you
So,
definitely could with this.
Yeah.
You could take it all over the place and then still take it to the shows on the weekends. Or
Yeah.
it is definitely a multi-purpose sort of a vehicle. Drive it down the road, go off-roading.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, thank you again for uploading your rig to the gallery. Moving on, next we have another 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This one has fuel contras on it.
Oh yeah.
20 by 10s with a -18 offset, and it has the Nitto, the Ridge Grappler, 35 by 12.5s, and then it has Mopar 2.5-inch lift. Aftermarket front bumper, wheels and tires, and suspension lift. And if there's any other description, no other description,
That's all
like
he's
no
got going on.
spacers or anything.
Pretty simple build.
It is. It is. It's clean.
Yep.
It looks clean. The wheels and tires to me are, the tires are a little bit, there's not enough meat on the bone.
Yep.
To me, it looks like if you do take it off-road, you're probably going to have some damage. But other than that, I think it's a clean look. I like that sort of that slate gray or whatever color that is. I'm not sure. Other than that, I don't really see any other things to talk about on here. So, got a number?
Let's do it.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
6.5. I like it. That's a super popular wheel in my world. You know, anything by Fuel is super good. The Contra's no exception to that. The Nitto Ridge Grap is a great tire. I really like that color. That gray makes me feel some type of way, and I'm about it.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
To me, it's just it's a clean build.
Yep.
That's about it. It's got, I mean, the wheels are a little too big for my liking, but it looks nice. It's proportional on this Gladiator with that color scheme, and it looks like there's definitely a lot more potential for upgrades like rock sliders, and looks like, you know, he's got the winch bumper but no winch yet. So
he's got all the starting platforms to make this a really great build. So.
Yeah, very cool.
Cool.
Well, definitely appreciate all of you who have uploaded your rigs to our gallery at trailbuildoffroad.com. And if you haven't already, it's really simple to do. You can do it on your cell phones or on a laptop. Really the biggest thing is just really good pictures, and also take the time to put in really good descriptions to it. It helps out anybody that's looking to purchase a set of wheels and tires and a certain size suspension to put that combination together. This gallery takes that guesswork out of what fits and what doesn't. So the better your description is on what you have and what fits and what doesn't, or if there's any modifications that were needed, that really helps out anybody looking to add their rig to the gallery, or even just looking for a certain size wheel and tire. So with all of that said, we definitely appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from Trail Built, and this is
Dustin with Custom Offsets.
And we will see you guys, well, I will see you guys out in the trails.